Hello, good morning everyone. Is that I am audible to all of you?
Yes,
No,
sir.
thank you. This was a question of 2, that is calculation of index number of last payers, Parsees, Marshall Edgeworth, Darvish Bowley and Fishers. The first heading is items A to D. Then the price in 2010 it was 50, 55, 60, then 40. Then price in 2020 the numbers is like this: 65, 70, 50, 90. And the quantities for 2010, so example 10, 12, 15, 9. 2020 18, next 5, 12, 10. So these are the numbers. First you have to clarify that what are the given values. Let me explain one by one first. See, if you see this question, entire index number of what actually? Last payers, Parsees, Marshall Edgeworth, Darvish Bowley, Fishers. In one question, they won't give you all 5. Just practice purpose I am doing all 5. In exams they will give you 1 or 2 only. Now in this case we have the index number 3 types. One is price index, 2 is quantity index, last is value index. So which index they said here? Not mentioned. So if the question is silent about the price index or quantity index, or if you see here, it should be like this: price index number or quantity index number or value index number, but it is not given. So if it is not given means remember that it is a price index. So you need to find the price index only. That is the first clarification. And second thing is identify these figures, right? These figures means price called P, right? 2010, 2020, first comes this one 0, that is base year, 20 is 1. Now you think that P0, P1, then quantity means Q. So base year is 2010, current year is 1, so Q0, Q1. So like that you have to write the figures. So let's start with the solution. Solution. You take the item as it is same, right? Same figure. And as I said that price of this one is 2010 is P0. See, this one is P0. P0. Right here is P0. And this one is P1. P1. And this one is Q0. Q0. And this one is Q1. Q1. Then you write the figures, all these numbers. Like here actually P0, P1, Q0, Q1. Not these numbers. Now you copy the same all these numbers. Yellow numbers na copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ same here, right? Then copy all these numbers as it is. Now what you have to find? The 4 values. I said that 4 values comes. First combination is P0, Q0. Next combination is P1, Q1. Next P0, Q1. Last P1, Q0. So these are the values, right? So what you have to find? P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P0, Q1, P1, Q0. You compute these figures. So first find the P0, Q0, P0 and Q0. These two numbers you have to multiply. 50 into 10, right? 50 into this number 10. So you will get 500. 55 into 12, so we'll get how much? 660. 60 into 15, 900. 40 into 9, 360. Right? So this was the total. Find the total. The next P1 and Q1. P1 is here, Q1 is here. Right? P1 65, then Q1 is 18. So 65 into 18, write it here. 65 into 18, 1170. 70 into 5, 350. 50 into 12, 600. 90 into 10, 900. Right? Find the total. So total will be 3020. Next number is P0 Q1. You observe the number P0 Q1. So P0 is here, Q1 is here. So 50 into 8. 50 this number into Q1. 900. 50 into 18 is 900. 55 into 5. 275. 60 into 12. 720. 40 into 10. 400. Then total. And P1 Q0. P1 is here, Q0 is here. So P1 Q0. 65 into 10. 65 into 10. 650. Then 70 into 12. 840. 50 into 5. 750. 90 into 9. 810. Then total. So these are the total. Apply the formula. First we have to apply the last pair formula, right? Last pairs index first. What is the formula? I think I see given a very simple way to find the last. Remember the formula. First you have to write the last pairs. Last pairs. The formula is like this: P01 because price index equal to, write the summation PQ divided by summation PQ. So this one is 1000 like this. 1000. 1000 means 1 0 0 0 into 100. Remember how to write? Last pair means 1000. 1000 means 1 0 0 0. Same is written 1 0 0 0 like this. So write the values now. P1 Q0. P1 Q0 means here. P1 Q0 3050. 3050. P0 Q0 is here 2420 into 100. Anyone find this one? Do it 3050 by 2420 into 100. So 126.03. 126.03. So this was the price index number of the last pair. So last pair index number. Yes, thank you. Now move to the second one is purchase. The purchase formula like this: P01 equal to. So this was 1110. Only for your sake, that is 110. Don't write in exam this like this 1110. Only to remember the formula, I written this one. The formula is like this: summation of PQ divided by summation of PQ. Now you write the 11110. 1110. So always PQ write first, then you write the 1110. Then apply the number P1 and Q1. Here is P1 Q1 3020 divided by P0 Q1. So P0 Q1 is 2295 2295 into 100. 3020 divided by 2295 into 100. Anyone do it? 3020 divided by 2295 into 100. 131.59. Yes, thank you. Next, move to the third one. Third one is Marshall Edworth. Marshall Edworth. So Marshall Edworth index number. The formula like this: P01 equal to, make the combined, you have to add combined add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂನ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ನಾವು ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 0 0 0 ಲ್ಯಾಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಸ್ಪೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಶೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 1 1 0 into 100. Substitute the values. The value ಹಾಕಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. Add the values. P1 Q0. See, P1 Q0 is here, 3050. Plus P1 Q1, this number 3020. Next P0 Q0, this number 2420. Plus P0 Q1, P0 Q1, this one 2295 into 100. Add these two, 6070 divided by 2420 plus 2295. Add these two. I think 4715 into 100. Anyone calculate this number? 6070 divided by 4715 into 100. 128.74. So this was the fourth one. Next, third one, fourth one now. Fourth one, that is Darvish-Bowley. Darvish-Bowley. The formula like this: P01 equal to, you have to separately have to add summation PQ divided by summation PQ plus summation PQ divided by summation PQ. Now first is last pair, that is 1 0 0 0, and this one is 1 1 1 0 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 into 100. So what will be the P1 Q0? P1 Q0, this number P1 Q0 is 3050 whole divided by, so means divide by P0 Q0, this number P0 Q0 2420. Otherwise you can see the table also. P0 Q0 is here. See, P0 Q0, this number 2420, same number. Then plus P1 Q1, this P1 Q1 number is 3020. P0 Q0, so P0 Q0 is 2295 whole divided by 2 into 100. Anyone do this first? 3050 divided by 2420, is it 1.2603? 3050 divided by this one divided by this one. He did this correct, 1.26. Take the 4 digits after point. And this one 3020 divided by 2295. The answer will be 1.3159 whole divided by 2 into 100. Then add these two, divided by 2 into 100. Anyone do like this? 1.2603 plus 1.3159 divided by 2 into 100. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? No, I think Netra, you did that maybe only 2 digits. Yes, 128.81. So I said that after the point take the 4 digits. Point I mean 4 digits so kitara. Yes, so 128.81 or 82. Anyone. So this was a Darvish-Bowley, P01 of Darvish-Bowley. Then fifth one, Fisher's index. P01 equal to root of summation of PQ divided by summation of PQ into summation of PQ into 100. The into 100 is out of the root. Square root na biಟ್ಟು square root illa ಮುಗಿತಿದ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. Substitute the figures now. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. P1 ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, P1 ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ 3050 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2420 ಅಂದರೆ P0 ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ 2420 ಇಂಟು P1 Q1 ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, P1 Q1 ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ P1 Q1 ಇದು 3020 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ P0 Q1 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2295. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನ ಆಫು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ನ 3050 ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 3050 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ 2420 ಇಂಟು ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಂಟು 3020 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2295 ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನೋ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಂಟು 100, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರದು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಹಂಗಾರೆ 128.78. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 3050 ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 3050 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2420 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2420 ಇಂಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 3020 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2295 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟನ್ನ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಂಟು 100 ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ 128.78. Yes or no? Tell me in the chat box. Good. Just you follow the same method. This method follow ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Next, then we'll move to the next question now. Next question ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Question number 3. Calculate the last payers, purchase and Fisher's index number. We'll take the help of the same table. Here is item. Now price column is changed now. We'll change the column. 2019 and here is 2020. Then here is price. Next is quantity. Price. Next is quantity. So in items A, B, C. In price 18, 20, 25. Quantity is available 2, 5, 9. Price 22, 20, 19. Quantity 2, 9, 2. So this was a question for you. Question number 3. Calculate the last pair price and Parshey's and Fisher's index number. Only 3 questions. Last pair, Parshey's and Fisher's. Now you observe this question and you go for the assumptions now. So first you take the same as it is number. So but what you are going to take this the just a minute. Solution. So this one is item as it is item only. Then what to take this one now? Assume that. So out of the 2 years, which year is called the base year and which year is called the current year? See, 2019 and 2020. 2019 is base year. 2020 is the current year. Out of these two, 19 and 20, first comes 2019. Right? The first year is 2019, it is called 0. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು 2019. ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 2019 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0. 2020 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ 0, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ 1. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ P, quantity is called Q. Price means P, quantity is called Q. Now observe this. The first is P0, right here P0. And this one is Q0. Q0. Then P1. Then this one is Q1. Right? So I think all you got my point. So price means P. 2019 is 0. So this one is called very simple. Just like this you have to take the number. 0 means base year. So P0 then Q0. P1 Q1. Now you find the all 4 numbers. Start with first P0 Q0, one a combination. No? Then second combination is P1 Q1. The next combination is P0 Q1. Next P1 Q0. So calculate the values now. Calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. So P0 Q0. See the number is P0 Q0. P0 Q0. This one. This one into this one. So we will get 18 2s are 36. Same type other number. 20 into 5 100. Next 25 into 9 225. Take the total. Total is 361. Similar. The next number. Next number means P1 Q1. P1 Q1 means P1 Q1. This one into this one 44. Then 20 into 9 180. 19 into 2 38. Total 362. P0 Q1 next. P0 Q1. So this one into this one. 18 into Q1 is 2 36. Next 20 into 9 180. 25 into 2 50. Total is 266. And last column P1 Q0. P1 is here, Q0 is here. So 22 into 2 44. Similar. Next P1 Q0, 20 into 5 100, 19 into 9 171. So these are the total. Then let's check the now the next values. So 4 values are comes now. The question is last pair, Parsons and Fishers, right? So we have to find all these numbers. This number na calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. First number is last pairs question. Number 1, we need to find the last pairs first. Last pairs index. The formula is P01 equal to summation of P into Q, P into Q. Clear? So P into Q means what? P1 Q0, that you write the 100 100 100. So that is like this. 1 0 0 0 into 100. So this was the value. P1 Q0 is here. P1 Q0 315 divided by P0 Q0 means here 361 into 100. Anyone tell me answer? 315 divided by 361. Okay, 87.26. Next, last pairs over. Next, Parsons. The formula is P01 equal to PQ PQ 1 1 1 0 into 100. 1 1, that is a P1 Q1 is 262 divided by P0 Q1. P0 Q1 is 266 into 100. Answer is 98.49. Correct? 98.49. Yes, thank you. Then move to the third one. Third question is Fisher's index. Fisher's index. Then formula is P01 equal to PQ divided by PQ into PQ divided by PQ. Root is there. After the root 100. The number same 1 0 0 0 and here is 1 1 1 0. Substitute the values. P1 Q0. So P1 Q0 is here 315 divided by P0 Q0 361 into P1 Q1 262 divided by P0 Q1 266 into 100. So 92.7. all you have to do 92.71 comes or not. Check madri. How to do this one? I said already. So 315 divided by 361. This number madidini. 15 divided by 361 into this number 262 divided by 266. Then press the equal to button. After that root nakri. Then after the root into 100. The answer will be 92.71. Yes, good. So I think all you got the point alla. Hege barutte anteli. Any doubt? Nodri solution nodi yaake doubt idre kelri. Okay, no doubt means we'll go for the next question then. Next question, that is question number 3 is over here. Question number 4. Right, question number 4. Find out Marshall Edworth and Darvish Bowley's index number take the same help. Now this column is commodity, not actually item, it is called commodity now. Commodity. Next, this one is they only given in the problem. Now we'll change the question. So this one they given a P1, right? This one is P1 they given in the problem. P0, the first P0. P0 is the given, then P1 is given, then here they given a Q0 and they given a Q1. So P0, P1, Q0, Q1 given in the problem. Commodities A, B, C. Then price 10, 15, 18. Here 12, 18, 20. Then 9, 6, 5, 7, 5, 4. So this was the question now. So what you have to find all the values. Quick ಆಗಿ answer ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So take the first same as it is, all these numbers. Solution. Already they given the same figure, commodity. We'll take it as COM, commodity. P0, P1, Q0, Q1 they given. So we need to multiply the figures now. So the first will be like this. The first calculation is one minute. P0, Q0, next P1, Q1, next P0, Q1, last P1, Q0. So all these four numbers we have to find, right? So start with the first P0, Q0. P0, Q0 means P0 into Q0. That is 10 into 9, 90. Similar, 15 into 6, 90. 18 into 5 is 90. So total is will be 270. Same type. P1, Q1. P1, Q1. 12 into 7, 84. Same, 18 into 5, 90. 20 into 4, 80. Then multiply P0 Q1 now. So which one you have to multiply? P0 Q. P0 is here, Q1 is here. So 10 into 7, 10 into 7, 70. Similar, 15 into 5, 75. 18 into 4, 72. Total 217. Then P1 and Q0. P1 and Q0, these two. P1 into Q0, 108. 18 into 6, 108. 20 into 5, 100. So these are the total. Total values comes these figures. Then question is Darvish, Marshall Edwards and Darvish Bowley. Let's start with the first one. Which one? Marshall Edwards. Start the first one. Number 1. Which one? Marshall Edwards. Marshall Edwards formula. The formula is P01 equal to, combined you have to add like this, plus plus summation of PQ, summation of PQ into 100. Substitute the values 1 0 0 0 here 1 1 1 0. So P1 and Q0 is here 316 plus P1 and Q1 means here P1 and Q1 is 254. Next P0 Q0, this number 270 plus P0 Q1 is 217 into 100. Anyone do this? 316 plus 254 total. I think 570. 570 divided by 270 plus 217, 487 into 100. Check the last answer. 570 divided by 487 into 100. Okay, 317.04. Similar, Darvish Bowley now. Darvish Bowley formula P01 equal to, so you have to write like this, PQ divided by PQ plus PQ divided by PQ, that is 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 whole divided by 2 into 100. First P1 Q0, this 316 is there. Divide by P0 Q0 is first number 270 plus P1 Q1, the second number 254 divide by P0 Q1 means this number 217 whole divided by 2 into 100. So anyone do this 316 by 270? 316 divided by 270, 1 point. Tell the 4 digits, 4 places here. 1 point, 4 places after that. 7104. Okay, 7104 plus second number 254 by 217. Then also say that 4 places. You leave 4 places here. 254 by 217. 254 divided by 217. So is it first one is this one? Okay, 1 minute. Let me clear myself also. Nanu onsa clear ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. The first number is 316 divided by 270. 1.1704. Okay, 17 this one. 1704 1 point, then 254 divided by 217, answer is 1.1705. Whole divided by 2 into 100. Into 100 here, then do it. 1.1704 plus 1.1705 divided by 2 into 100. The answer will be 117.045. Correct, 117.045. So these are the almost the same answer comes here. So that's it from the today's class. All you have to verify this question. I will assign some question to you, just you solve and send the answer to me. Thank you very much. Bye to all of you.